Alright guys, Happy New Year. Gonna run the hot dog stitch and pitch mini here for spots in the main for Robert. 11:30 a.m. New Year's Day. We are gonna go live. And we are live. 11:30 a.m. New Year's Day. 11:30 a.m. Alright, we're gonna grab our list. See what we got here. We got first top 3 win spots in the main. 32 spots at 2. Top 3 win in the main. Alright, got our list. 32. Actually, here, I'll copy this one. 32 spots. Alright, we will drop that into random. 32 entries. Brian on the bottom and Josh on top. We are going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 7. 7's good. We're going to go 7 times. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 times. Dice shows a 7. Next click. Top 3 win main spots. Good luck. And 7. Congrats to Brian, and Brian. You guys get your spots in the main. We are done. 11:31 a.m. We'll go back. Type done. We are done. 11:31 a.m. 11:31 a.m. Scroll down. There's our timestamp and our verification code.